Hello everyone, and welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. In this video, we're going to use Adobe Illustrator to show how to draw a football. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content. To start, we will use the Shape tool to create a circle. I'll thicken the border a bit, we'll need that for later. Now, let's work on the ball texture. I will use the Shape tool to create a hexagon. I'll make the hexagon's border thinner. Next, I'll duplicate the hexagon to form a beehive-like texture. Next, we'll color some of the hexagons black. This will form the ball pattern. Next, we group our hexagons. To group multiple objects, select them and click Ctrl-G for Windows or Command-G for Mac. Next, I'll select the grouped object, go to Effect, and choose Inflate as my warp option. Next, let's copy our circle to clipboard, we will need this for later. Now, we will place our texture group on the circle and adjust if necessary. Next, paste our circle back at the top layer. It is very important for the next step that the circle be in the top layer. Next, select the pasted circle and the texture group, go to Object, Clipping Mask, then Make. This will mask your texture group behind your circle. Next, we will create a shadow. You can watch our video on creating shadows and highlights where we explain the process of creating a shadow. Link in description. Remember to adjust your border thickness as necessary. We have now illustrated how to draw a football. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with different tools and shapes to see what effects you can create. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.